Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. Taking a look at Forex Factory, and look at this. Never seen this before. Got an error here. Got some errors on the data. Well, what's going on today? 10:30, we only have one item, crude oil inventories. That's it. So a very light news day for a Wednesday. Remember that the U.S. government data may be impacted by the shutdown. Tentative events are subject to delay, revision, or cancellation. That is the story. That has been going on now for a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. Yeah, so kind of the new normal. So really nothing going on news wise. Again, another interesting CPI for Great Britain came in higher, 3.8%, which was actually less than the forecast. And their numbers were pretty good. Again, looking at other countries' CPI gives us an idea of what our CPI could be since we all consume the same basic products. Yeah, so looking at that. Looking at the charts, we had a down day yesterday, but very little, and it looks like we're having a very, very, very close to a doji candle right at the moment. We're slightly up this morning. This looks like a doji candle as well. It's not a perfect doji. Remember, a doji is where the open and the close are exactly the same price. And it tells us that the market is indecisive. It doesn't know whether it wants to go up or down. So it opens and closes at the same price. Very close to that. Looks like this is a topping pattern. Also, a lower high, lower high from over here. Topping out. Sure looks that way. We'll have to wait and see. Volume was pathetic once again yesterday, which just tells me there's just not interest. There's very little interest or caution maybe is also sneaking into the market. Taking a look at the inventory, so down price action, and we had down inventory. Again, the price action was very, very slightly down all the same, and inventory was down as well. So those are correlated. Nothing to write home about there. Looking at the overnight action was only 25 points. So we went from 40 something yesterday to 25 overnight. Really sideways action overnight. Yeah, just looks like we're peaking out and going to go sideways for a day or two, and we'll see what happens. Where is support and resistance? We've got resistance up here around 67.89, 67.98, the whole number 6,800, and there's a fib there at 68.03. We get above there and we're into nosebleed, all-time high 68.30 would be another spot, and I don't have anything above that. For support below, there's a little bit of confluence there around yesterday's low, 67.58-ish, 67.50, 67.42. We can drop down to 67.20-ish, 6,700 and around 6,700. There's always a lot of little areas. 67.03, and there's probably something around 66.95 area. There's always about a 10-point zone below a whole number or around a whole number due to the whole number. So there you have it there. Let's see what else we got. Stock Trader's Almanac is 38.1, which is only a 38.1% chance the market will be up today, which means that there's a 62% chance the market will be down. That's from the historical record from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.